So starting off with my infected look, I'm just going with my Mayron White Paradise paint, and I am putting that all over, not very opaque, just all over with a sponge. Then next I use this greenish, bluish cream paint. All the cream paints in the tube like that one you just saw are from Walmart. Like this green one right here, and I'm just continuing to just add color all over, making it a very sickly look. The next color I go in with is yellow. Again, just going all over and adding it wherever I feel necessary. Using a red eyeliner pencil, I am going around my eyes. This is Halloween Essentials brand. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, but this I got at Walmart as well. You're not supposed to use like the red face paint around the eyes, but this was an eyeliner pencil, so I figured I'd use this first. And then I also use this to start with the veins all over the face. Going in with the blue body paint, I am just making cool tone veins just like I did with the red ones. So my camera had turned off, but all I did next was just go with my black Mayron Paradise paint and go over top of the red areas, the wounded areas. Next I'm going in with red ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I am just darkening up the red areas. I was trying to make it just a little bit darker around the mouth, but I didn't realize how much product I had on my brush, so it just ended up looking like a mustache. So I ended up going in with my white face paint and just diluting that a little bit. For my lips, I use ColourPop liquid lipstick in LAX or Lax, however you want to pronounce it. So the pearls that I'm using are just craft pearls from the dollar store. They are self-adhesive. I wish I would have used actual either liquid latex or eyelash glue because they popped off a lot, but just for this look it's fine. But if I was going to wear this out somewhere, I would have liked to have used the glue. And then I'm just going in with a dark matte shadow and darkening up the areas around the eyes and wounds. I'm just popping on a big lash that I had got off of Amazon for a glam effect. And here is the finished look. I really like how this turned out. This was inspired by Jordan Hans on both YouTube and Instagram. I'm super happy with this. The only thing is, like I said earlier, I wish I would have had the pearls stick better. But other than that, love it a lot. If you like it too, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, lets me know I'm doing a good job. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!